Honda Accord AeroDeck EU spec, 1994 to 1995. The Honda Accord AeroDeck produced for the European market between 1994 and 1995 under this chassis code is a unique vehicle that combined Japanese engineering with American manufacturing and European styling. Unlike the original 3-door AeroDeck of the 80s, this generation was a spacious 5-door station wagon designed to compete with premium European estates in a rapidly growing market for lifestyle family vehicles. The engineering and design of this AeroDeck were led by Shinya Iwakura and the Honda Research and Development Team in Ohio, where the car was exclusively manufactured. An interesting fact about the European AeroDeck is that it was essentially a rebadged version of the North American Accord wagon, but with specific suspension tuning and lighting equipment to meet European safety standards. Another fascinating detail is that while the sedan version was built in the United Kingdom, the AeroDeck had to be shipped across the Atlantic from the Marysville plant in the United States, making it a true global import. The top-tier models featured the 2.2-liter F22B engine, which was praised for its smooth power delivery and high-speed cruising capability. Because it was a niche model in the European lineup, approximately 12,000 units were exported to Europe during this specific 2-year production window. In terms of public exposure, the Accord AeroDeck was a popular sight at major European motor shows, where it was marketed as a high-quality alternative to the Volvo 850 and the BMW 3 Series Touring. While it was not a professional race car, its sophisticated 4-wheel double wishbone suspension made it a favorite for amateur rally support teams and long-distance travelers who needed a car that could handle heavy loads without sacrificing driving precision. Owner reviews from the mid-90s often highlighted the car's massive cargo area and the exceptional reliability of the Honda engine, which seemed unfazed by high mileage. However, some owners noted that the rear suspension could feel a bit soft when the car was fully loaded with passengers and luggage. Because this AeroDeck was an imported model, it faced some specific maintenance challenges as the years passed. The most frequent parts to fail were the rear hatch struts, which would lose their pressure, and the power antenna, which was prone to snapping in automatic car washes. The plastic radiator tanks were also known to develop hairline cracks after several years of use in varied European climates. This generation was subject to several safety recall campaigns in Europe, primarily to address potential issues with the automatic transmission shift lock mechanism and to fix a defect in the SRS airbag wiring harness that could cause a warning light to stay on. Despite these minor points, the AeroDeck earned a legendary reputation for being one of the most dependable wagons of its era. The Honda Accord AeroDeck remains a significant milestone in automotive history as a symbol of Honda's ability to coordinate design and production across 3 continents. It is remembered today as a comfortable and over-engineered classic that offered a level of refinement rarely seen in the wagon segment at the time.